All right, it is day 4 of our honeybees story. Remember, today's mostly a review. All right, read that first word and give me a thumbs up. Let's sound it out. B-A-G, bag. Read that second word. Give me a thumbs up. Ready? P-et, pet. What's that word? Pet. How many syllables are in these words? They only have one syllable. So we can clap them. We can say bag, pet. Today we're going to review words that have 2 syllables. Like basket. Remember we talked about when there are 2 consonants in the middle of the word and they have a vowel before and after, we can cut them in half like our ninja chop, and we can divide them between the consonants. So I see the S and the K are together with an A before and an E after. So I can divide them right between the S and the K, just like over here, basket. So it's 2 syllables, basket. All right, when we read a word like this one, we're going to first divide it into smaller pieces. That makes it easier to read. So I can read the first part, b, rab, with the second part, it, bit, rabbit, rabbit. So we can divide it into 2 sounds. Remember, these are not words by themselves. They're just syllables. Rabbit is one word, not a compound word. We'll talk more about those later. All right, let's look at these words together. I want you to try to divide that word and read it by yourself. Give me a thumbs up when you've got it. All right, let's sound it out. We cut it in half between the 2 B's. Ready? R-a-b, rab, b-it, bit, rabbit. Look at this next one. Divide it, sound it out. Ready? We cut it in half between the S and the K. B-as, bass, k-et, ket, basket, basket. Look at the third word. Give me a thumbs up. Divide it, sound it out. Ready? We're going to cut it in half between the S and the T because there's vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let's sound it out. Is, miss, take, take, mistake, mistake. Remember that the sneaky E is going to make that A say his name. All right, let's look at the next one. Chop it up, sound it out. Ready? We're going to divide it between the D and the P because we have our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Ready? Add, tad, pole, tadpole, tadpole. Last one, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Divide it between the N and the S. Ready? Give me a thumbs up when you've got it. Ready? In, side. Read number 1. Give me a thumbs up when you've got it. Give you just a second. Ready? We set his pet rabbit in its basket. All right, look at number 2. Give me a thumbs up when you're done. Ready? Will it be a mistake to keep that tadpole inside? All right, I want you to help me with the yellow words. Remember, those yellow words are our sight words. Ready? Listen as I read. Help me with the yellow words. Lee and Sam like to invent new stuff. When they see a need, these kids fix it. Their family admits some of the stuff is odd. Lee made mittens for his pet reptile. He also invented zigzag buttons. Sam came up with a picnic basket for his kitten. Will Lee and Sam make other stuff? We will see. All right, let's talk about nouns in sentences. The log began to move. To decide which word is a noun, I ask myself what the sentence is about. So what is this sentence about? Good, a log. A log is a thing. We know a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. All right, we're going to preview our story.
By Jesus Cervantes. Illustrated by Tom Leonard. What happens inside a beehive? The sun shines. The honeybees wake up. It is time for these insects to work. Buzz, buzz, buzz. In the hive, bees live together, like a family. In the family, there is a queen bee, many worker bees, and some drones. This is the queen bee. She rules the hive. These are the drones. They help the queen. Their hive is hidden in a tree. Worker bees keep this hive safe. It is not good to make bees mad. Bees will attack. Worker bees make wax cells in the hive. These wax cells are small holes. Bees save honey in some wax cells. Little bees live and grow in other cells. Honey is food for bees. Worker bees feed honey to other bees in the hive. Bees make honey from nectar. Bees get nectar from flowers. Honeybees find flowers with sweet nectar. They take this sweet nectar back inside their hive. Worker bees also get pollen from flowers. Worker bees feed pollen to the queen bee and the little bees. It helps them grow big. When those little bees get big, it is time for a new hive. Worker bees make the new hive. A new queen will also go with them. When it gets cold, the bees will go inside their hive to sleep and rest. The bees will wake up when the sun shines.
All right. It is now time to get out our center materials. So you need your green folder, your Tap It, Map It, Zap It board, your eraser, and your marker. So have those and then start that next video.